I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
My background, I was a pastor and missionary living in Uruguay in South America. Didn't know anything about Bitcoin. And so the fact that I'm doing this today is crazy on one level. But basically, again, what we're trying to do is just show the real, on the ground, visceral, tangible, personal ways in which fiat currency just affects and destroys the lives of people all over the world, especially the poor. And so when I was in Uruguay, more than half of our church were Venezuelan immigrants. So these were people, in some cases, who were doctors, economists who were thank you, Yellow, appreciate you. But yeah, so these were people in some cases who were doctors, economists, people who were making, in some cases, more than $100,000 a year denominated in the Venezuelan bolivar. They were making good money, and then 3 or 4 years later they weren't able to pay their rent. And so we just saw the ways that forced fathers to leave their wives and their kids back in Venezuela and move to a different country to get a job and send money home to them. And so just seeing these real world effects of something as seemingly, untangible and unimportant as magic internet money, that for me, this is my own personal story. And so basically what we're trying to do is kind of share similar stories and just, lay out for people and for, ministry leaders, pastors, all kinds of people who are, I mean, I was talking to actually JD from Cypherpunk Cinema, who's on your show a couple of weeks ago. And we were just doing a little bit of research as far as like how much, like the amount of money and resources that the Christian world in the United States controls, and it's over $200 billion. Mm-hmm. And so you have people who are these people and organizations in the States, you have people in the United States who are giving to organizations that are doing work all over the world. And basically those people, with every year that goes by, every day that goes by, they're able to do less and less of that work that's actually helping people. They're able to do less and less of it because fiat, is trending towards zero.